Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not joining friends. It can be frustrating when you can't connect with your friends, but don't worry, we'll go through some common solutions. First, let's ensure your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak signal can prevent you from joining games. Also, make sure both you and your friend are on the same Roblox server region. Sometimes, different regions can cause connection problems. We'll also check for any ongoing Roblox server outages. Next, let's dive into your in-game and privacy settings. It's crucial to review your Roblox privacy settings to ensure they allow friends to join your game. Similarly, ask your friend to check their settings as well. Sometimes, a simple setting adjustment can resolve the issue. Also, confirm that neither of you has accidentally blocked the other. A quick check in your friend list can confirm this. Finally, try joining through the Friends tab directly, which can sometimes be more reliable than an invite. If the problem persists, let's troubleshoot your device. A simple restart of your Roblox application and your entire device can often fix temporary glitches. It's like giving everything a fresh start. Also, consider clearing your Roblox game cache. Corrupted data in the cache can sometimes interfere with joining games. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try temporarily disabling it, as these can sometimes cause connection conflicts. Finally, ensure your firewall isn't blocking Roblox, which is a common culprit. For more persistent issues, we have a few advanced solutions. If all else fails, a complete reinstallation of Roblox can often resolve deep-seated problems. This ensures you have a fresh, clean installation. Also, make sure your device's network drivers are updated. Outdated drivers can cause connectivity issues. If you've tried everything, don't hesitate to contact Roblox support. Provide them with as much detail as possible. As a last resort, try connecting from a different network, like a mobile hotspot, to rule out your home network as the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.